Welcome guys. From this video we learn Java, app development, game development with RareEngine. Now we start by basics of Java first. To say about Java, it is a programming language. That's all you want. Let's start teaching you by code. Download AIDE from link in description and open it. This will shown, and you select option for experts. Just ignore Android app option and open Java application option and choose new Java application option. Name project as you wish and press create button. If you see this code, the starting setup is over. Then first in Java to print anything on screen you want to type system.out.println text. Now I try to print hello world. Any text want to print on screen want to be between double quotes. Every statement in Java want to be end with semicolon. Once you code it in, AIDE press play button in top bar to compile and see result of code you made. Now we successfully finished the code, the result is perfect. Here I finished the tutorial. Also see you in next Java tutorial. For that day I'm waiting. Now bye.